Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. In this video, I'll be talking about Umkhokha the Case, next week teasers. In January 2025, Gabi Sila's fall from grace is swift as Virgin strip her of her place in the group, leaving her shunned and isolated. Fazi has a big decision to make, but Gabi G makes his life harder than it already is, while Sibahle lets Ndlovu know he better get used to the new norm. Lucy is faced with the dilemma after her great uncle shows up sick but armed with information that could solve a problem that plagued them for decades. Mazungu questions Boo's tensions with Sibahle. Fazi decides to do the right thing and make a honest woman out of Gabi G. Busiswa is in love and makes a bold move. A deep hidden secret threatens to wreak havoc in the Mutiani's household. A young healer struggles with her latest assignment. Fighting siblings are forced to make stock of their relationship. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.